Alright, y'all, this is my walking tour of Aquamar. We have the Amarillo Alta cabin, as y'all can see. So downstairs it has the picnic tables, and I don't know what you want to call the other table, but each one has a designated color for its tables. So there you go. The tables is the same color as the actual place. Then you have this nice little boardwalk right here. I was walking around without shoes, but now I have on my Crocs right now, so I'm just doing it that way, man. So let's get it in, man. Right here you had a little picnic area for if you want to just sit out with your family. You had a pool over there, which I'm gonna give y'all some shots of. I like the little boat that way. Over here is like public bathrooms. Y'all can see how some of the spots look. Each one has a front patio and it has a back patio, as y'all can see. So that's the front. Then you have the ocean facing one. Over there is the regular palapas that you can rent. To the right, no, to the left. To the right is another resort. And then we have more little spots over here where you can rent as well. But yeah, let's go, baby. Let's continue the tour. So here, as y'all can see, it's like bathrooms and changing rooms, I believe. Yeah, bathrooms. So don't fear if you have to use the baño, we'll have one for you. I like this boat right here. Super nice. This is another cabin upstairs. Look, that's a nice place to take some pictures at. So get the family, stand up there on top of there, take some pictures. Here we have more tables so you can socialize around the pool. I honestly don't know what those are. Maybe they're supposed to, I think they're supposed to be showers. We're just gonna skip that. A little nature over there. Here is maybe like an office. Yeah, either office or another cabin. Oh, that's another cabin. It has multiple bedrooms. A lot of these cabins do have a lot of bedrooms. You have a barbecue pit over there, as you can see. Then we had a pool here. I'm gonna come and get in this pool later. It's actually a nice little depth to it, little deepness to it. I'm thinking that's maybe 4 foot, maybe no 5 foot, but the water ain't all the way to the top. But it's a nice size pool. The water isn't too bad either. Let me see again. Yeah, it's actually way warmer than the ocean for sure. Let's see. Over here, y'all, we have more cabins. We have another high one over here. Here these other ones. Look, y'all, in my experience so far, it's a nice spot. It's closest to the beach. It's the most close you can get with these rentals here, unless you inside of like one of the resorts or something. But if you want something like privatized, then these cabins are the way to go. They literally right by the beach, just like the palapas would be. The palapas are the tents that you can rent, like the little shades at the chairs. If you from the States and listening to this, but yeah, super close to the beach. Let's continue this tour. So these is more. Oh yeah, they all have AC in them as well, if you guys didn't notice. So AC. I feel like you could get some good photos here as well. Over that way is just the parking lot. I had to make sure we still recording. It's so bright out here I could barely see the screen. Even with sunglasses on. But yeah, this is just the parking lot here. Nothing too much to see. Like they building more over here as well. Buenas tardes. ¿Qué tal, hermano? Buenas tardes. Yeah, I gotta find out what this one is. I believe it's like multiple units in that one. I like the door. Yeah, y'all, we are back. So it's a nice size operation. Not too big, not too small, but definitely a great experience to be had. Even if you guys just rent it for the day, like if you rent it just to have a full day at the beach and you live within town, it's still a good thing. I might even get one of these for like a video shoot or something one day. And as y'all can see, super close to the sand, so. Huh? I don't know how many feet away this is, but super close. Let me show y'all the view. I'm gonna go up a little bit. We're gonna go down there later, get a rasper. And as y'all can see, all the vendors is super close as well. So If you want to go grab some food, some elote, you want to grab some raspas, you want to grab some shrimp, they even come and serve you drinks. I had tequila Sunrise brought to me. Tequila is life, for sure. But yeah, beautiful day. This is Ciudad Madero. If I'm saying city right, it's Madero. Come join us. Get you one of these nice beachfront cabins.